In this video I will share with you some travel hacks on how to travel around Europe and to Iceland especially, and around the world. So we choose here a departure point. We use a website called kiwi.com. Kiwi.com, in my opinion, it's the best when it comes to flight search. So you go to kiwi.com and choose here a departure point. Let's type the country, not just the city, but the country. United Kingdom, the entire country. We'll search all around the United Kingdom. And you can add another country, for example, France, United Kingdom, France. And you can add also Germany here, or wherever. What country is close to you, you will search the cheapest flights from all those countries. Or you can type cities one after another. But better country, United States, for example, all the states of the United States. And remember to choose one way. And to Reykjavik. You choose Reykjavik, by the Keflavik International Airport, because the airport is in Keflavik, Reykjavik Kef. And when you click departure point, you wait a little bit, like a few seconds, and will pop up the calendar with the cheapest flights from those countries to Iceland. You see, now in August, it's possible to get to Iceland for 47 euro from those countries that I typed. United France, Germany. United Kingdom, France, Germany. Let's check what is that flight for 47 euro. And you go here. See, from London, you can fly on 30th of August for 47 euro if you buy on Kiwi. It will be cheaper if you buy on EasyJet website. It's EasyJet here. You can see airline. So you go on EasyJet and you buy for $40, some $45 maybe, a bit cheaper because Kiwi takes commission. So, and you book your flight on EasyJet website, not on Kiwi, cheaper than this. So, same way back, you type here Keflavik International Airport, and you type here United Kingdom, let's say. It searches all airports in United Kingdom and all days of the month. United Kingdom, let's see, and departure point, one way. Remember to have it one way departure point, and you look here at the dates. Okay, you have here 4th of September, $74. Click on that, set date, wait a second, then here it's popularity sort cheapest. Here is Liverpool for $74. Direct flight to Liverpool. You go on the website of Play Airline. You buy it for $74, maybe $70 the way back. Just an example how you can search the flights. You can also choose one direct flight or 1-2 stops. And, but remember, one way, and then when you click on calendar, you wait a little bit and it will pop up the calendar with prices, the cheapest flights on that particular day from that particular country or area, whatever you put in from. You can put multiple departure points in from multiple countries, multiple states. It will search all of them for the cheapest connection to Iceland, and you can use train to get to that destination. For example, just showing you how to search the flights, the best way. Then to rent a car, you use a website called discovercars.com. In my opinion, it's the best rental website. I've been using it for years now, and it worked well for me wherever I travel in Europe. So you choose Keflavik Airport. Remember, airport is not in Reykjavik, it's in Keflavik, the international airport for Iceland. And you return car in the same location. Usually it's always cheaper to rent car in the airport, not in the city. So remember, put airport. And you put here the date, like 30th of July, for example, to let's say 5th of September, no, September too much. Let's say 5th of August, few days, like same time, Renting car in same location. Search now. Okay, here price for 6 days to rent car in Iceland now in July. August is the cheapest one in all of Iceland, is 478 euro. So here you can see Ice Rental website. You go on Ice Rental website, you book even cheaper than this. It's cheaper to rent in September. Now price is a bit too high. So $478 for 6 days. Well, it's like average European price, I would say. Maybe slightly more than in Europe, but more or less the same. You don't need any Jeep, you know. In Iceland, it's okay to have a small car. In summer, autumn, it's fine to drive a small car. You don't need to drive any off-roads. So you go on this website and you book cheaper than this on. You can see what rental it is. You book direct, not through Discover Cars. Alternatively, if it's too expensive here, you can always check Caritas.is. It's another car rental. You rent used cars. BC bus terminal from the city. It's better here. You can rent from the city. 27th to, let's say, 5th, such cars. Here you can rent for about the cheapest cars for about $80 a day. You know, $80 a day. Used cars from private people in Reykjavik. Maybe it's cheaper in Keflavik airport. No, it's more expensive in Keflavik. To use this website, it's better to rent it in the city. So, just another idea for you, Caritas.is, used cars. But I'm not sure if this price will be better than on discovercars.com. Discovercars.com really finds good prices for you. And in September, for example, it's very cheap. Let's say, because now in the summer it's more expensive. Let's say first 5 days of September. You rent September. Keflavik International Airport, first 5 days of September. Let's search the price in the car. Discovercars.com. $210 for 4 days. $210 is a very good price. And so you didn't rent a Jeep, you see. $210. And what's Northern Light Car Rental? You go on Northern Light Car Rental website. You rent directly, cheaper than this. So that's how you do it. How to rent cars and how to travel. I'll show you how to get to the eruption location if you are interested. So this is Google Maps, and you will arrive at Keflavik International Airport, which is here. It's situated not really in Reykjavik, but some 60 minutes drive, 45 to 60 minutes drive from Reykjavik city, from the capital. And the volcano is situated close to Grindavik. You see the Grindavik, city of Grindavik here. In Reykjanes Peninsula, this thing is called the Reykjanes Peninsula, this foot of Reykjavik, this shoe of Iceland, close to Reykjavik. And so you drive from Keflavik International Airport towards Grindavik direction, and then outside of Grindavik you drive a bit further to Fagradal's volcano. Parking number 1, P1, it's marked the Fagradalsfjall volcano hike private tour. So you enter here, you pay the parking through the app. It costs 1,000 krona. That's why it's good to have internet, local internet. If you are from America, some SIM card buy in the airport to have Icelandic SIM card with some gigabytes, so that you can use local internet connection. And it costs 1,000 krona to park per 24 hours. You can pay it for 48 hours. And then you hike this trail. You see it's even visible on Google Maps through the mountains. All the way, it's Old Trail A. And you hike it you bypass old lava fields from 2021, 2022. Then you come to Little Hrútur here. Little Rain Mountain. You can climb this mountain and have a nice view, spend some hours here. Or you can alternatively, you can use Trail E, which is a bit further It's a bit further by road, down the road here. It's here. Yeah, this parking here is P2 parking. Just a bit further south. And from here there is a field road that goes bypasses the mountain, that you don't have to climb any mountains, and you will arrive somewhere here on this hill. I think the viewing point from Volcano Trail E is somewhere here in this valley where lava is spilling now. So those are practical tips about traveling to Iceland. And you don't necessarily have to stay in Reykjavik, because usually accommodation in Reykjavik is more expensive. If you have a car, it really doesn't matter where you stay. You can book accommodation, for example, in Eyrarbakki. There is a hostel, very cheap apartments. You can really nice quality and like half price comparing to Reykjavik. So I suggest staying outside of Reykjavik, and you can drive to Reykjavik anytime. If you don't rent a car, it's kind of complicated a little bit. Then you would have to rent a tour, book a tour from Reykjavik with, for example, Reykjavik excursions, bus travel companies, troll tours. They all do hikes to the volcano. They will drive you there and hike there with you. So those are travel tips and hacks, how to get to the volcano and Iceland and anywhere in the world. You can use the Discover Cars, Kiwi.com, how I travel. All the best to you. Be well. How to rent accommodation in Iceland and elsewhere. Use Booking.com. Everybody knows about it. Very good search engine. Different criteria. You can set filters, see reviews. Now in Iceland it's very busy in the summer. Lots of tourists. So prices on Booking.com can shoot up and can be very expensive. So they really drive prices up some days. Booking.com. That's why it's always good to, when you find some good price on Booking.com, go on hotel website directly, book through hotel directly. It's often cheaper. Usually it's cheaper. Or use Airbnb, another alternative, great alternative to book accommodation in Iceland. Airbnb, usually cheaper now in the summer to rent through Airbnb than through Booking.com. Or you can, as I told, browse the websites of hotels, but use Booking.com as a base for that, and then you go on the website of the hotel and book it through there. Airbnb or Booking.com. So those are travel hacks that I can share with you.